Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enforce or create a requirement that before an email is sent in Gmail, that you will have to provide a confirmation for it. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do it on the Gmail mobile app on your iOS or Android device. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the hamburger icon up at the top left, select the settings gear button, select general settings, and then scroll down where it says confirm before sending. If you want to enable that option, go ahead and check mark that. And if you want to disable that option, just put uncheck it. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, how to do it. And that's just about it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.